The 2007-2012 Nissan Altima key fob uses a CR2025 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. When your fob's range decreases or stops working, it's likely the battery. To replace it, gather a new CR2025 battery and a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. Locate the seam on the back of the fob, usually near a notch or button. Gently pry the fob open, being careful not to crack the plastic. Once open, remove the old battery, noting the positive side facing up. Insert the new battery in the same orientation. Snap the fob back together and test to ensure it's working. If the key fob doesn't work after replacing the battery, start by checking for corrosion on the battery contacts. Clean them gently with isopropyl alcohol. Ensure the battery is correctly oriented with the positive side facing up. If issues persist, the fob may need reprogramming. While universal programming tools exist, consult a locksmith or dealership to avoid security risks. Remember to recycle your old lithium battery at a certified recycling center. In cold weather, battery life decreases significantly, requiring more frequent replacements. Use fresh batteries from reputable brands for optimal performance.